Come on! Sparky, take me there!
Sparky told me you were coming. Hi, I'm Lisa. Welcome to Molded Fiberglass. There you go. Come on in.
Manufacturing is making or producing something that you can sell. If you ever made bracelets to sell or baked cookies to sell, then you were manufacturing. Today, you'll see what they make at MFG. MFG stands for Molded Fiberglass. It's cool to see what they make at MFG, but what happens with their products will blow your mind. Good luck, career detective. Have you guessed what MFG makes? That's right, it's storage boxes, trays, and much, much more. See all the things you can do with products from MFG. But let's save the best for last. Candy. 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 MFG manufactures trays that are used to make candy. It's time for you to interview some workers so you can find out what it's like to have a job in manufacturing.
I'd like to introduce you to my friend, Dave Dieter. Dave, this is Shiley.
Hi, nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you.
Shake hands, do it right. Look with your eyes, hold on tight. A friendly smile will delight. Shake hands, now do it right. Shake hands, do it right. Look with your eyes, hold on tight. A friendly smile will delight. Shake hands, now do it right.
And I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Did you apply for this position?
Yes, I did.
If you think you've got the skills for a job, you let the company know when you apply.
Went into manufacturing and I worked in a factory over in Meadville, and I had different jobs over there. A couple times I got a job because I was the only one in that whole department of people that would come in every day and work. A lot of people don't do that, but I never missed a day's work.
Hey, whoa, did you hear that? Give me 5, everyone.
Show up every day on time, sober with a good attitude. So, what are your sparks?
My sparks? Oh, I like to make stuff out of wood ever since I was a little boy. I like to work with people and help people.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, ignition.
Think about your sparks. Get ready to put your hands up. Do you like art? Put your hands up. Do you like music? Put your hands up. Do you like science? Put your hands up. Do you like baking? Put your hands up. Don't forget, you might change the world. Your sparks are different, every boy and girl. So imagine all the things that you'd like to do. Could be a career someday. Your dreams come true, so get excited for your future. You get to be the boss, know how to have grit, even if you take a loss. Of course, along the way, you can change your mind. It's part of the fun. Grow up and be kind. Do you like sports? Then put your hands up. Do you like inventing? Then put your hands up. How about technology? Well, put your hands up. Working with tools? Well, put your hands up. Oh, yeah.
Selfie.
We always say pumpkin head in my family. Pumpkin head. Thanks for coming to work with me today.
Thank you. Bye.
Welcome back. You get to pick a special fabric for a tray. You get to learn how we make trays here at MFG.
Yay.
Here, we'll unfold them and you can take a look and see what ones you like.
Shiley's fabric will actually get pressed into the tray, so she wants to pick something that's her favorite.
This one.
The pink hearts? Okay, that's the one we're going with. Shiley, this is about what you're about to see out there when we go out to make our tray. Now, we use cloth, and we use what's called mat and what's called veil and a wire, and it's a little bit itchy sometimes. And we pour the resin on, and it looks like cake batter. Have you ever poured cake batter into a pan?
Well, yeah, I have.
Yeah, that's what it's like pouring the resin. And we also have something called SMC, and it's kind of like Play-Doh. You like Play-Doh? Mm-hmm. Yeah, all kids like Play-Doh. See, you make your charge and you put it in the press and then it squishes it and makes a tray. It's kind of loud out there, but that's why we have earplugs. We wear earplugs. So you ready to go out and make a tray?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Can you hear me with your earplugs?
Kinda.
Sounds a little fuzzy, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Whoa, man, that's loud.
It is loud. Okay, we're going right over here. All right, these are our presses. This is what we make our trays with. Oh, and there's our friend Dave. All right, this is the book that we read. This tells us this is our recipe. Remember Dave talking about the recipe? Our recipes are right here in the book. So it tells us how we should lay up our material. So it's time to put on our gloves. All right, after you get those on, we'll put on our apron.
These are mittens.
There you go. And in about 2 minutes, you'll have a tray. Are you excited to see your tray?
Yeah.
I am too. I'm excited to see it. Voila, there's your tray.
Wow.
See, now this is called flashing. We just cut the flashing off. And that's what your tray looks like.
Wow, Shiley, you look pretty good carrying that tray made by MFG.
Good job. And the best one is the candy trays. Candy!
Candy. Candy. Candy.
To keep our employees happy and well fed, we even have treats. We have popcorn and slushies. Would you like some?
Yes, please.
There.
Maybe I can work here when I grow up.
That would be great. Thank you for coming to work with me today, Shiley, at MFG. We sure enjoyed having you. Bye.
Thank you, Sparky, for another awesome adventure. This is your career detective, signing off! I can, Mom. Loud and clear.
5 minutes is up. It's time for you to come on in.
Okay, no problem.